Imagine unloading a massive 40-ton container in just minutes, without using a giant crane. That's exactly what the Hammer 110 Mega Reach sideloader makes possible. This powerhouse weighs only 8.4 tons, far lighter than most competitors, yet it handles heavy containers with ease. Its stabilizer legs are designed with a unique stepping mode, letting it stride smoothly over neighboring chassis. That means faster, cleaner operations without the hassle of shifting vehicles around. Loading is lightning fast, taking just 2 to 4 minutes. Its chassis adjusts from 6 to 14 meters, making it compatible with almost any container size. It can even stack 2 containers on top of each other, and thanks to its clever design, the ground beneath stays firm, even after heavy rain. For even quicker jobs, the sled mode keeps the legs folded, extending only 2 meters for speed and efficiency. And when mounted directly on a truck chassis, it delivers unmatched maneuverability. The Hammer 110 isn't just a loader, it's redefining how the world moves containers. Ride the future above the waves. Imagine flying over water instead of cutting through it. That's exactly what the Valo Hyperfoil Alpha prototype delivers. This 2-seat electric hydrofoil isn't just a watercraft, it's a floating piece of the future. Built from high-modulus carbon fiber, titanium, and stainless steel, it's both lightweight and incredibly strong. At just 330 kilograms empty, it can still carry a payload of 170 kilograms while supporting a total weight of 500 kilograms. Powering this beast is a 45 kilowatts electric drive with a shaft-driven propulsion system, paired with Skyride active stabilization software. The result? Smooth, precise turns that feel like carving through air. With a top speed of 42 miles per hour and a runtime of over 2 hours per charge, it blends performance with endurance. Its extendable foils and tilting strut make beach landings and shallow water handling surprisingly easy, something most hydrofoils can't offer. And since it runs silently with zero emissions, you get an adrenaline rush without leaving a footprint. The Valo Hyperfoil isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse of tomorrow's adventure sport. One ride, and you'll never see the ocean the same way again. One Wheel Pint S. Rephrased script, approximately equals 170 words. Ever imagined gliding through the city on a single wheel that feels like the future? Meet the One Wheel Pint S. A compact ride that packs serious punch. This sleek board isn't just about looks. With a powerful 750W hypercore motor, it hits speeds up to 20 miles per hour and cruises 12 to 18 miles on a single charge. The factory-installed treaded tire gives you extra grip, whether you're carving city streets or rolling off road trails. Control is smoother than ever thanks to the larger, flared footpads. 15% more surface area means more leverage and stability under your feet. And when it's time to carry it, the upgraded Mag Handle Pro makes it effortless with its durable aluminum build and rubberized grip. At $1,300, the package includes everything you need: the board, charger, and handle, plus free US shipping and a 12-month warranty. The Pint S isn't just transport, it's freedom on a wheel. Where will it take you? Meet the Angler Super Quad, a mind-blowing fusion of superbike agility and hypercar power that redefines speed. Features and benefits. At its heart lies a monstrous 5.2 L V10 Audi R8 engine, delivering up to 1,085 horsepower in its twin-turbo form. Wrapped in a full carbon fiber body with a carbon monocoque chassis and titanium subframes, it weighs just 1,100 kilograms, giving an almost perfect 1 horsepower per kilogram ratio. Measuring 4,670 millimeters long with a 2,650 millimeters wheelbase, this quad is built for precision and explosive performance. Its independent double wishbone suspension with coil springs and electronic dampers, paired with Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, ensures razor-sharp handling and stopping power. Context and real-world impact. The rider sits centrally, fully immersed in control with twist-grip throttle, lever brakes, and an intuitive rev counter infotainment display. This setup doesn't just look futuristic. It puts the rider at the center of a supercharged experience, blending raw speed with unmatched control. Closing statement. From 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of 217 miles per hour, the Angler Super Quad isn't just a ride. It's a glimpse into the future of extreme performance. Imagine powering massive trucks with the sun. That's exactly what the Apollo Solar Kit makes possible, bringing clean, flexible solar energy straight to the road. This system is built with ultra-light, flexible panels designed for semi-trailers, weighing less than 15 kilograms in total. Buyers can pick from 155, 310, or 620 watts of power, each paired with a smart Victron controller to handle charging seamlessly. The results are impressive. Drivers cut fuel use by 3 to 8%, saving around 3 tons of CO2 every year. That means the kit pays for itself in just 12 to 18 months. Installation is quick too. Under 2 hours, with no need to modify the truck. Durability isn't a concern either. These panels are tough enough to survive hail, snow, and constant vibration, with German TÜV certification backing them up. Big names like Unilever have already seen the benefits, reporting a 3% fuel reduction across 50 trucks. Polish company Alio even hit 5% in real-world tests. With over 1,000 systems already on the road, Apollo Solar is proving that the future of trucking runs not just on fuel, but on sunlight. Clearview Next-Gen Towing Mirrors. Blind spots while towing? Not anymore. Clearview's next-gen towing mirrors are built to keep you safe with futuristic Cat6 LED indicators that shine brighter and meet Australia's strict ADR60 safety standard. The magic lies in the design. Turn signals are seamlessly built right into the mirror housing, making them highly visible to every driver on the road. No bulky add-ons, no awkward setups, just sleek, smart safety. Installation is a breeze. These mirrors mount directly onto your existing brackets with zero modifications. Already rocking Cat 5 indicators? Simply upgrade to Cat 6 for full compliance, or go all in with a complete mirror set that comes pre-installed with the latest LEDs. For anyone towing large trailers, caravans, or heavy loads, these mirrors aren't just a gadget, they're a game changer. Clearview dealers make it easy to choose the perfect fit for your vehicle. Because when you're hauling big, the last thing you should worry about is what you can't see. Hook. Imagine controlling your trailer's axles with just a button, or even by tapping the brake 3 times. Features and benefits. The Naben trailer's lift axle isn't just about carrying loads, it's about carrying them smarter. This system lets you raise or lower an axle automatically based on the weight, or take full control yourself. Use a remote, a cab panel, or that quick triple brake tap to make adjustments in seconds. Context and real-world impact. The magic lies in its adaptability. Drop the first axle for rock-solid stability on winding mountain roads. Lift the third axle to shorten the wheelbase, making tight turns feel effortless. Whether it's conquering steep terrain or navigating narrow streets, this tech turns challenges into smooth rides. Closing statement. With Naben's lift axle, your trailer isn't just following the road, it's mastering it. Meet the Pedillo, a futuristic, solar-assisted quadricycle that redefines urban commuting. Fully enclosed, ultra-light, and built for speed, it's a single-seat marvel designed for the city of tomorrow. Features and benefits. The Pedillo's sleek cabin combines a powder-coated steel frame with carbon fiber panels, measuring 185 by 90 by 136 centimeters and weighing just 68 kilograms, yet carrying up to 130 kilograms. Each of its 4 20-inch wheels has independent suspension and hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring smooth, safe rides on any road. Power comes from a 14-speed pedal drive paired with a 250W hub motor, offering start assist, reverse gear, adjustable pedal assist, and regenerative braking. Its top speed reaches 25 km per hour in pedal-only mode, or 45 km per hour in L6E classification. Context and real-world impact. The Pedillo isn't just fast, it's smart. A 100W rooftop solar panel adds 20 to 30 kilometers of range per day, meaning less charging, more freedom, and greener urban travel. With twin batteries, the range extends up to 120 kilometers, turning city commutes into effortless journeys. Closing statement. Light, nimble, and solar-powered, the Pedillo proves that sustainable urban mobility can be exciting, stylish, and entirely future-ready.
The Flightboard eFoil is an electric surfboard with a hydrofoil that lets you glide effortlessly above the water, reaching speeds of up to 50 km per hour. With a single charge, you can enjoy up to 40 kilometers of thrilling rides. Crafted from lightweight, durable carbon fiber, it offers both power and agility, making every ride feel smooth and exciting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Flightboard eFoil promises a unique, fun, and adrenaline-pumping experience on the water. Get ready to soar and explore the waves like never before.
The Volvo Iron Knight isn't just a truck, it's a beast built to break limits. This Swedish powerhouse left sports cars eating its dust when it set the FIA World Speed Record for trucks. Covering 500 meters in just 13.71 seconds and 1,000 meters in only 21.29 seconds, it hit an official top speed of 276 kilometers per hour. Numbers you'd expect from a supercar, not a heavy machine. What makes it even more remarkable is its design. At the length of a standard tractor unit, it tips the scale at just 4.5 tons, thanks to a lightweight plastic body. Its exhaust system is pure thunder, roaring like a rocket launch every time it fires up. Add in the futuristic air ducts and aerodynamic details, and you've got a truck that looks and sounds like it was built for another world. The Iron Knight isn't just redefining what trucks can do, it's rewriting the rules of speed itself. And who knows, the next record it smashes might just be its own. Imagine a trailer that doesn't just haul cargo, but actually transforms to fit the job. That's exactly what Dutch manufacturer Pacton delivers. Instead of sticking to one design, Pacton creates shape-shifting trailers built for versatility. Take their loader trailer. Equipped with a hydraulic front section, it's perfect for carrying heavy concrete panels with precision. Measuring 2.5 meters wide and 9.5 meters long, it offers 6 secure cargo points for safe transport. Need something lower? The Step Deck SXD adapts from 1 to 4 axles with an extendable platform, giving you unmatched flexibility. For heavy-duty work, the TXK tipper uses telescopic cylinders to lift an incredible 47 tons with ease. And when it comes to bulk cargo like biomass pellets, their moving floor trailer unloads smoothly without tipping. But here's the real game changer. Every trailer can be customized. From lift axles to hydraulic tweaks to container locks, Pacton builds exactly what you need. In short, if you can dream it, Pacton can trailer it.
Alpha Centauri, a superhero's dream on water. The Alpha Centauri looks like it's straight out of a superhero movie, but it's actually inspired by the sleek shapes of fighter jets. This 27-foot powerhouse can seat 4 people and is built for those who crave speed and style. Thanks to its lightweight composite body, it weighs just 3,640 pounds and can rocket across the water at 60 knots, around 70 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest luxury boats out there. Inside, the bold red interior features 4 racing-style seats, a high-tech navigation system, and a booming sound system with 2 subwoofers, perfect for playing your favorite tracks at full blast. The Alpha Centauri isn't just a boat, it's pure adrenaline and luxury combined, designed for anyone who wants to cruise the waves with serious style.
Imagine a machine so tough it can pull a tank, lift massive loads, and still race across rough terrain like it's nothing. That's the FFG Weisent 2, Germany's hidden powerhouse. Built on the legendary Leopard 2 tank chassis, this beast isn't just about brute force. It's a dual-role engineering and recovery vehicle, designed to handle the toughest missions. With a winch that drags up to 40 tons and a crane that hoists 32 tons, it's practically unstoppable when it comes to heavy lifting. But here's where it gets wild. The Weisent 2 can completely submerge underwater, crossing rivers and obstacles most machines wouldn't dare attempt. On steep slopes where others would tip, it stays rock solid. And despite carrying a full load of heavy gear, its mobility matches the Leopard 2 tank itself. Reaching speeds of 68 kilometers per hour, it doesn't just survive in extreme conditions, it dominates them. The Weisent 2 isn't just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of military engineering. UBCO2X2 electric motorbike, built for any road, any adventure. Imagine a bike that feels just as comfortable gliding through city streets as it does tearing across rugged trails. That's the UBCO2X2, an all-terrain electric motorbike built for true versatility. With dual hub motors delivering instant torque to both wheels, this machine grips the road like few others can. It may top out at 30 miles per hour, but what it lacks in speed, it makes up for with control, stability, and power, 76.7 pound-feet of torque to be exact. Its 3.1 kilowatt-hours battery pushes you up to 75 miles on a single charge, giving you freedom without range anxiety. Weighing just 156 pounds, the 2X2 is surprisingly light, making it easy to handle for riders at any level. The full suspension system smooths out bumps and trails, while the two-wheel drive setup ensures you're never stuck spinning in mud or gravel. This isn't just a bike, it's a sustainable way to conquer both daily commutes and wild escapes. The UBCO 2X2 proves that the future of riding is clean, capable, and unstoppable. U-Boat Works Super Sub, the sports car of the ocean. Imagine slicing through the deep blue at speeds most subs only dream of. This is the U-Boat Works Super Sub, the world's ultimate sports submersible. Built for pure adrenaline, it dives 300 meters beneath the surface and races underwater at 10 knots. With 4 high-powered thrusters pushing out 60 kilowatts of thrust, you're not just gliding, you're performing steep 30 degrees climbs and dives that feel more like flying than diving. Step inside, and it's not just about power, it's luxury. Think air conditioning, a Bluetooth sound system, and even a chilled box for your drinks. Designed for 2 passengers and a pilot, it's perfect for sharing unforgettable journeys beneath the waves. And the view? Thanks to its crystal-clear acrylic hull, you get a full 360 degrees panorama of the ocean around you, an underwater world revealed in breathtaking detail. The Super Sub doesn't just take you underwater, it redefines how humans experience the deep. This isn't just exploration, it's an adventure machine. Meet the Traxxas Jado 4x4 VXL, a machine built for pure speed and brutal power. This isn't just a buggy, it's a track-ready rocket on wheels. Straight out of the box, it packs the monster Valenian 540XL brushless motor paired with the VXL4's ESC. Together, they push this beast past 60 miles per hour on a 4-cell LiPo, giving you insane acceleration and control. Its design is just as fierce as its performance. The ultra-low center of gravity chassis, reinforced with an aluminum T-bar, keeps it planted at high speeds. Heavy-duty driveline, sealed steel differentials, and full-time shaft drive make sure nothing slows it down, even on rough terrain. Handling is razor-sharp thanks to dual bell-crank steering, waterproof digital servo, and aluminum GTR shocks riding on super grippy Response Pro tires. Add in a clipless body, high downforce wing, and waterproof electronics, and you've got performance that lasts. At just over 20 inches long and 5.6 pounds, the Jado 4x4 VXL redefines RC racing, delivering unmatched speed, durability, and precision. Power, control, relentless speed, that's the Jado. Gibbs Aquata, the car that becomes a boat. Imagine driving down the road, then in seconds transforming your car into a speedboat. That's the magic of the Gibbs Aquata, the world's first true high-speed amphibian. This futuristic 3-seat convertible doesn't just dip into water, it glides across it with ease. Thanks to hydraulic wheel retraction and powerful waterjet propulsion, it can shift from land to water in moments, giving you freedom like never before. Built with over 60 patented technologies, the Aquata delivers thrilling performance, hitting over 100 miles per hour on land and more than 30 miles per hour on water. At its heart, a Rover K Series 2.5 LV6 engine pumps out 175 horsepower, combined with rear-wheel drive and computer-controlled suspension for a ride that's both smooth and responsive. Sized for stability yet sleek in design, this amphibian blends luxury with raw innovation. It's not just transportation, it's an experience that blurs the line between driving and sailing. The Gibbs Aquata proves one thing: the future of travel isn't about choosing land or water, it's about mastering both. Imagine a trailer so advanced, it can lift and rotate its own axles, without relying on a truck. Meet the NT Group Mk1E Master, the world's first fully electric translifter. This isn't your average trailer. The Mark 1M runs completely on electricity, cutting out fuel costs and saving up to $35,000 every year. That alone makes it a game changer for freight transport. But here's where it gets even smarter: its electro-hydraulic system operates independently. That means it doesn't need to be plugged into a semi-truck to function. Whether paired with a modern electric vehicle or an older diesel tractor, the Mark 1M adapts seamlessly. This flexibility means companies don't have to replace their entire fleet to go green. Instead, they can integrate the Mk1E Master directly into their current operations, making the transition to sustainable freight smooth and cost-effective. The future of transportation isn't coming, it's already here. And with the Mk1 East Master, the road ahead looks cleaner, smarter, and far more efficient.
The 84 Summer Sun houseboat is a large and luxurious option, ideal for family trips or group vacations. Measuring 84 feet long and 16 feet wide, it offers a generous 1,344 square feet of living space. Inside, the boat features a modern and comfortable interior, with a spacious living area perfect for relaxing and spending time with others. The kitchen comes fully equipped, making it easy to prepare meals, while the bedrooms provide privacy and comfort. One of the highlights is the flybridge, where you can enjoy fresh air and scenic views. There's also a built-in barbecue grill for outdoor cooking and a covered patio that offers shade from the sun. With a price of $379,990, the Summer Sun houseboat is a great choice for those looking for a stylish and roomy getaway on the water. Kawasaki Koro, the hydrogen-powered walking ride of the future. The Kawasaki Koro, revealed as a concept at Expo 2025 Osaka, represents an intriguing shift in the future of off-road personal mobility. Ditching traditional wheels in favor of 4 independently articulated robotic legs, this futuristic ride is purpose-built to traverse rugged terrains, be it grasslands, rubble, or rocky paths. Each leg ends in a split rubber hoof, providing adaptive grip and stability, while rear legs integrate swing arm-like mechanisms to absorb shocks from rough ground. What sets the Koro apart even more is its eco-friendly engineering. A compact 150cc hydrogen engine stored in a rear-mounted canister powers electric drive units located in each leg. Emitting only water vapor, it's a clean energy solution that's aligned with environmental sustainability goals.
Eftecker 01. A new era in electric scooters. The Eftecker 01 electric scooter is turning heads at EIMA 2024 with its mix of power, style, and technology. Built in a mid-sized ADV design, it runs on a 10.5 kilowatts motor that produces 215 newton-meters of torque and reaches a top speed of 115 kilometers per hour. Its battery supports fast charging, going from 0 to 90% in just 1 hour and 40 minutes, and can cover up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it ideal for both daily city rides and short outdoor trips. The scooter's step-through frame, 15-inch front wheel, 14-inch rear wheel, and ADV tires provide balance and comfort on different roads. Extra features like a 7-inch TFT screen and keyless entry add to its modern appeal. The Eftecker 01 stands out as a smart, powerful, and stylish choice for today's urban mobility needs. The Shadow 6 Typhoon is a unique and powerful aquatic utility vehicle that looks like a mix between a high-performance UTV and a watercraft. Built for adrenaline seekers, motorsports fans, and even possible defense use, the Typhoon is described as the first vehicle of its kind. It can carry up to 3 passengers and weighs around 2,365 pounds. The body is made from tough but lightweight materials like titanium and carbon fiber. Under the hood, it's powered by twin supercharged 4-cylinder Yamaha GP 1800 engines, giving it serious performance on the water. The Typhoon can reach speeds of up to 80 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest and most extreme watercrafts available. This machine is designed purely for speed, thrills, and adventure on the water. With a price tag of around $250,399, it's built for those who want something truly exclusive and high-powered for their water adventures.
Quadrifoil. The Quadrifoil is a special electric watercraft that uses hydrofoil technology to lift its body above the water. This smart design helps reduce drag and makes the ride smooth and fast. It's powered by an electric engine, so it runs quietly and doesn't release harmful gases. This makes it perfect for people who care about the environment or love water sports. The Quadrifoil is built with safety in mind. It has an anti-collision system, smart steering, and stays very stable in water. It's also light and has an ergonomic shape, so it's easy to control. It can go as fast as 40 kilometers per hour and travel up to 100 kilometers on one charge if conditions are good. There are different versions of the quadrifoil, and the price usually ranges from 28,000 euros to 34,000, or around $32,000 to $38,000. It's a futuristic and fun way to enjoy the water without hurting nature.
Meet the Roadscar 4W1P, the four-wheeled bike that feels like the future of cycling. This lightweight single-seater is built on a tough jig-welded steel frame, yet it stays incredibly nimble at just 70 to 80 pounds. With bicycle-style steering and up to 42-speed gearing, it offers both simplicity for casual rides and precision for serious cyclists. Disc brakes come standard, ensuring safety and control on every ride. But the real game changer? The optional PD 750 electric assist. It gives you smooth pedal support up to 18 miles per hour, with a range of 30 to 60 miles depending on the battery setup. That means longer rides, less effort, and more adventure. The Roadscar doesn't stop at performance. It's packed with thoughtful extras like thorn-proof tubes, Kevlar liners, fenders, seatbelts, cargo space, and even rear-view mirrors. Perfect for recreation, commuting, or light cargo hauling, it's a true hybrid of strength, speed, and versatility. The Roadscar 4W1P isn't just a ride, it's a new way to move. Kia KM450. Meet the Kia KM450, a rugged beast built to conquer the toughest terrains. This South Korean military truck isn't just powerful, it's unstoppable. With the strength to wade through water nearly 76 centimeters deep and climb slopes as steep as 30 degrees, the KM450 is designed for action where ordinary vehicles fail. Its engine packs an impressive 373 Nm of torque, delivering raw power exactly when it's needed most. Durability is at its core. Even if its tires take a hit, run-flat technology keeps it moving forward without pause. That makes it a reliable partner in the harshest conditions, from muddy backroads to frozen landscapes. Standing at just 2.5 meters tall, the KM450 also knows how to stay low and hidden. Its compact, tactical profile makes camouflage easier, giving it an edge in unpredictable environments. This isn't just a truck. It's a symbol of resilience, proving that true strength is measured not by how fast you move, but by how far you can go when the road disappears. Imagine riding a bike that doesn't touch the ground. This is the Volanaut Airbike. A jet-powered hover bike straight out of science fiction, now becoming reality. This single-seat machine runs on dual microjet turbines, pushing it to speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. With automatic vertical takeoff and hover control, it lifts off like a dream, guided by an advanced flight computer for perfect stability. Weighing just 160 kilograms, thanks to carbon fiber and 3D printed parts, it's nearly 7 times lighter than a regular motorcycle. That makes it not only fast but also agile enough to weave through tight urban spaces. The open-air cockpit gives riders a full 360-degree view, while thrust vectoring ensures smooth, intuitive handling. Safety hasn't been ignored either. Auto hover, sculpted landing stands, rear lights, and even a ballistic parachute provide extra protection in the skies. Limited to only 25 Founders Editions, priced at $380,000, the Volanaut Airbike marks the beginning of personal flight for those who can afford it. This isn't just a ride, it's the first glimpse of a future where roads are optional. Meet the Losi 22S Sprint Car, a mini-beast built for maximum thrill. This isn't just a toy, it's a 1/10 scale sprint car that packs the punch of real racing. Powered by a brushless motor and built on a rugged aluminum chassis, it delivers raw speed and durability straight out of the box. With top speeds pushing past 25 miles per hour, this machine doesn't just roll, it flies. Its waterproof metal gear servo, threaded aluminum shocks, and dual slipper clutch keep it tough on any track. Add in steel turnbuckles, a sealed gear differential, and you've got performance that lasts race after race. But it's not only about power. The Losi 22S nails the details. Clipless body mounts, removable wings, and officially licensed Hoosier tires give it that authentic sprint car feel. At just under 5 pounds, with a 17-inch frame and 10-inch wheelbase, it's perfectly balanced for both fun runs and serious competition. In short, the Losi 22S isn't just a model, it's racing brought to life in your hands. Imagine gliding through the streets without ever pushing off the ground. That's the magic of orbit wheels, a futuristic twist on personal transportation that feels like skateboarding but way more freeing. Instead of one board, you stand on two separate platforms, each with its own wheel. By leaning side to side, you create a smooth serpentine motion that propels you forward, almost like surfing on pavement. The best part? The wheels aren't connected, which means you can pull off insane 720-degree spins, sharp turns, and moves no skateboard could ever handle. Stopping is simple. Just touch your toes to the ground. With 10-inch wheels, you're not limited to smooth concrete either. Short grass, dirt paths, and uneven surfaces are all fair game. Built to hold up to 200 pounds, orbit wheels are designed for riders as young as 8, making them fun for beginners and a challenge for thrill seekers. This isn't just another gadget, it's a new way to move, play, and experience the outdoors. Once you step on orbit wheels, walking will feel outdated. JetSurf Electric. Ride the future of surfing. Imagine flying over water on a surfboard powered by pure electric speed. That's the JetSurf Electric. This isn't just a board, it's a futuristic machine built for adrenaline. At just 180 centimeters long and crafted from full carbon fiber, it's lightweight yet incredibly strong. The direct drive jet pump, reinforced with carbon components, launches you up to 55 kilometers per hour, 34 miles per hour, giving you the thrill of racing on open water. With a swappable 3 kilowatt-hours battery, you'll get about 35 minutes of pure action before a quick swap keeps you going. An advanced air and water cooling system ensures the board performs at its peak, ride after ride. Safety hasn't been forgotten. Magnetic shut-off, dual adjustable foot bindings, and a booster mode keep riders secure while maximizing control. Even maintenance is effortless, thanks to its smart ventilation and easy board design. The JetSurf Electric isn't just about surfing, it's about redefining water sports. Sleek, powerful, and ahead of its time, it takes the thrill of the ocean and pushes it into the future. Meet the beast that laughs at rough terrain, the FNSS Pars Scout 8x8. This armored vehicle from Turkey isn't just built to survive the battlefield, it's designed to dominate it. With its massive 8-wheel drive system, it powers through trenches up to 2 meters wide and climbs obstacles as tall as 70 centimeters without breaking a sweat. Its secret weapon? Perfect balance. Engineers carefully distributed its weight across all axles, giving it incredible stability. That means it glides over loose ground, brakes quickly, and stays firmly in control even at higher speeds. Speaking of speed, this monster can push up to 100 kilometers per hour, impressive for an armored vehicle of its size. And it doesn't stop there. Thanks to its central tire inflation system, the driver can adjust pressure on the go, making sure it adapts to any surface, from sand to mud to rock. The Pars Scout 8x8 isn't just another armored carrier. It's a glimpse into the future of military mobility, where speed, power, and adaptability come together. A machine built to go where limits end. What if a bus could glide through turns, brake hard without dipping, and swallow potholes like they never existed? Features and benefits. Meet the V-Series suspension system by Freightliner Custom Chassis, a game-changer in ride comfort and control. This advanced setup keeps the bus almost perfectly level in sharp turns, prevents that forward lurch when braking, and shrugs off even the nastiest bumps without shaking the steering wheel. No bump steer, no sudden jolts, just smooth, confident driving. Context and real-world impact. For passengers, it means no more constant jostling on long trips. For drivers, it means fewer steering corrections and a calmer, more focused drive. And when it comes to durability, the bushings are built to last an incredible 240,000 kilometers without noticeable wear. That's serious reliability in an industry where downtime costs money. Closing statement. In a world of tight schedules and unpredictable roads, the V-Series suspension doesn't just carry passengers, it carries confidence. Faring Pioneer X. Imagine an off-road beast that can cross deserts, survive the Arctic, and even dive underwater. Meet the Faring Pioneer X, a machine that pushes the limits of adventure. Built by British engineers, this hybrid off-roader is powered by a 60 kilowatt-hours onboard unit available in both multi-fuel and hydrogen options. That means freedom on the road with a jaw-dropping range of up to 7,000 kilometers. You could practically drive across continents without stopping to refuel. Its design is just as impressive as its power. The Pioneer X uses an ultra-light carbon chassis, making it tough yet nimble in extreme conditions. Add in a fully adjustable independent suspension, advanced spring setup, and an onboard tire inflation system, and you've got a vehicle that adapts to any terrain with ease. But here's the wildest feature: it's built to operate fully submerged underwater. That's not just off-roading, that's redefining what an off-road vehicle can do. The Faring Pioneer X isn't just transport. It's a vision of the future, proving how engineering can expand the boundaries of exploration. The Pelican Rescue System is a unique safety device designed for sailing yachts. It works by capturing, securing, and lifting people out of the water, making it useful in emergency situations. The system is made in Germany and can be easily installed on any side of a yacht, ready to use at any time. It's built to help rescue not only people but also cargo that may fall overboard. Although the idea was promising, Pelican's website is no longer active, and its Kickstarter campaign didn't reach its funding goal, raising less than a quarter of what was needed. As a result, detailed information about the product is limited, but the concept still shows potential to improve safety gear on sailboats. Trick Explorer F426E. Get ready to meet the beast built for adventure. The Trick Explorer F426E, a four-wheeled electric quad designed to conquer the wild. This isn't your average ride. Powered by a dual 500 West mid-drive system, it lets you switch between two-wheel drive for efficiency or full four-wheel drive for unstoppable traction. Whether it's sand, mud, snow, rocks, or gravel, this machine keeps pushing forward with power and control. Its massive 4.8-inch off-road tires and 326-inch wheels give it the grip and clearance needed to glide over rugged terrain with ease. Add in a 1x11 drivetrain and a low-ratio crankset, and you've got serious torque for steep climbs and loose trails. Stopping is just as impressive, thanks to hydraulic disc brakes that deliver reliable control even in the toughest conditions. And comfort? A reclined 40-degree seat keeps your body relaxed, so fatigue won't stop your journey. Starting at $7,198, the F426E isn't just a quad. It's a premium off-road companion built for thrill seekers who refuse to settle for limits. Adventure starts where the road ends. This quad is proof.
Boat lift by Italian engineering. Italy isn't just famous for pizza and architecture, it's also innovating in ship launching tech. One example is a massive boat lift used to launch ships, like a $330 million yacht, safely and efficiently. These machines use amphibious technology and come in different sizes. The smallest model can handle 100,000 pounds, while the biggest lifts over 529,000 pounds. The latest models have a clover design that gives them 59 inches more width, improving stability. Depending on the need, these lifts come with wheels or tracks and can have one or more diesel engines. Some wheeled models can even move sideways, making positioning much easier. This machinery is designed for heavy-duty use in shipyards and marinas and is a symbol of how Italy blends creativity with industrial strength.